Hi, seventh grade. This is Miss Bailey, and I'm just going to give you some quick instructions on how to do one of your math assignments in Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm starting here. I just went to the Google homepage. I went to www.google.com, and now here I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click sign in. And because I've signed in before, it automatically shows me my personal email, my school email. Now you want to pick your school email, or if you haven't, you're going to type in your school ID number, your 890 at rcsd121.org. Okay, so I'm going to click that one. Okay, then type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, please email or call me. I am happy to help get it reset for you. All right, and so now I'm signed in. Okay, so now I need to go up to the squares, and then I can find Google Classroom. Okay, now I said we're going to do a math assignment. So now all my classrooms show up. Now I need to find my math class. Okay, 8th period math. I'm with 7-2. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and we're going to do the coronavirus assignment, which is right here. It's due, I see it right here, but also if I look over here, it tells me corona research. It's due Tuesday. Or I can go over here to classwork and all my assignments are here too. So now again, I'm going to do the corona research is what I'm going to work on today. Okay, so then it shows up and then it only shows me this, but let's click the full view of the assignment. Oh, so this is a teacher view that you can't see, but this is what you would see. And then there should be like a turn in button down here. Okay, so please read the directions carefully and answer all 5 questions. All right, okay, let's get started. I open up the Google Doc. Okay, so I type in my name. I'm Miss Bailey. And the date I'm doing it is 3/28, whatever day you're doing it, you understand. Okay, then my learning target. By utilizing technology, I can research important topics and determine critical information that can boost my comprehension of events. Okay, question 1. What is the most important information in the learning target? Okay, so I'm going to read it again. Learning target. By utilizing technology, I can research important topics and determine critical information that can boost my comprehension of events. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what you need to write, but I would go down, and I like writing in a different color so that the teacher can see it really well. So I'm going to write in blue today. Okay, so the most important thing, or the most important information in the learning target is, and now you need to finish that sentence. I'm just helping you get started with the assignment. Okay, question 2. What is the current count for individuals with the coronavirus in New York State? Okay, all right, so again, I'm going to show you how I like to write in blue, and I'm going to write in a different color. Okay, the current count of individuals with the coronavirus in New York State is, okay, now I got to do some research. So you know what, I'm going to open myself a new tab, and here I'm in Google, and I'm going to just ask that question. How many people in New York State have the coronavirus? Okay, now all this stuff comes up, so picking on any of these probably can help you. And I guess coronavirus is one word, I thought it was 2. Okay, so anyway, so I can look at this, and now this says the live updates. We can try and find a number here. It's not letting me scroll down. Annoying. Oh, now it's going. Okay, so I'm looking for how many people. This isn't really showing me anything. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hit the back arrow and go back. And then, you know, I'm looking for how many people. Okay, the government, remember it's always good to look if it's .com or .gov or what's on here. I'm going to go to this .gov one because I just feel like that might have better information. New York State Health, guidance in New York City cases, lots of different languages on here. How can you help? Press releases. I'm not seeing any numbers, so I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to go back and look for another one. It tells me how many people died in New York State. This was 9 hours ago, so that's pretty recent, but I need to know how many people have it. So you know what? I'm going to just type in, I'm going to see what happens if I just type coronavirus, New York. Let's see. Now there's this map. Maybe I want to look at this map, statistics. Oh, here we go. This is exactly what we need, this map. So now you're going to be looking on a different day, so you can't use the same numbers I'm using because you're going to be looking at a different day. Okay, so United States. All right, so this doesn't tell me how many people in New York. This is in the United States, so that's not the number I need. Now these are all just countries. Okay, now you have to keep looking. So this is interesting to look at, though, how many people have it in the U.S. and other countries, but it doesn't tell me just by state. So that's too bad. So, okay, this isn't going to work for us either. Here we go. Next thing, let's look for something else. NewYork.gov. Let's try this one. So again, it's not, research means you're going to have to look at multiple websites. You're not just going to find it on the first one. Hence, maybe that's a part of your important things with your learning target. Okay. 10-point policy. This is just giving us good things that they're doing. Again, it's not telling me how many people. CDC, let's try this one. Center for Disease Control. Okay, again, what you need to know, prepare your family traveling, schools. All right, cases in the United States. Cool. I don't know. These are different places. I wish New York is right here. Let's try clicking on it. Okay. New York. Is there a map listed anywhere? Let's click on the coronavirus. I feel like we just went backwards. What you know to know in New York State. Okay, so these are all the things they're doing. Again, they're not giving me a number. And that's what we need. So I'm going to go back to my original search. If it lets me get there. Oh, see, I opened up a new tab somehow. So here's this. View. Let's try looking here. No, this isn't what I need. Okay, so I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to keep looking. I'm not going to get it on the first one. Washington Post, coronavirus latest updates, New York City. But again, I'm in New York State. I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to even go to the next page, maybe. And it's okay that it takes you a while. Okay, Rochester. Again, this says New York City, Spectrum News, New York State, coronavirus update, Spectrum Local, Worldometers, .gov. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try just typing coronavirus and then seeing, I'm going to say coronavirus cases. And there's that map. That didn't tell me just New York State. New York Times, CNN, CDC. There was a different map I looked at recently. I wish I could find it right now. Map. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, here we go. New York. Okay, so here we go. It gave me a number of cases and a number of deaths. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that number and I'm going to copy it. If I click with 2 fingers, I can copy. Okay, so what was it again? Current count of individuals coronavirus. Now yours is going to have a different number. You got to do your own research. If you use this number, it's not going to count because it's not going to be the same day unless I look when you submitted it and you submitted it before I made the video. Okay, so I guess I don't need New York twice there. So is this number. And then I'm going to try to make it look like I didn't copy and paste. Shouldn't be teaching that trick, but there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the third question. What is the total death of individuals with the coronavirus? Now, this doesn't... Okay, so and then that was the second number over here, the deaths. So I'm going to copy that number. And again, I need to give Mr. Jackson a complete sentence. So I'm going to go blue. I'm going to say the total number of deaths with the coronavirus, or I should just death is, and there's that number. Okay, and I'm going to make it blue again. So find the percentage of individuals who have died from the coronavirus that, have been diagnosed with the virus. Hint, take question 3 and divide it by answer 2. Okay, so question 3 is the 800. Okay, so he said question 3 is this one. So I'm going to take my 827 and I'm going to divide by, or if you want to trick, insert equation, and then I can pick the divide symbol, divide by, and then it says take question 3, 827, and divide by question 2, 5,000, divide by 53,399. Okay, and then I'm going to do that. So maybe I want to get my calculator on my computer. I don't know if you can see this right now, but calculator pops up, and I'll type in my 2 numbers, divide, and see what I get. And then I put that on there. Okay, and question 5, write a paragraph. Complete 5 to 6 sentences regarding your feeling toward the coronavirus at this time. Use extensive details. Okay, so I'm going to give you some sentence starters, but again, this is on your own. So I could start with my feelings about the coronavirus is blank, blank, blank. Finish that sentence. I feel this way because the corona impacts my daily life by, I forgot my S on there. See, teachers use spell check too. Okay, I need 5 to 6 sentences. I've got 3, I need at least 2 more. So I could say, the coronavirus impacts my family by, tell me something, how it affected somebody in your family. This virus, now I'm going to do some sort of concluding sentence. This virus makes me feel, I'm going to go back to how I started my thing, makes me feel blank because, and again, you're filling in those sentences, you're writing a paragraph about how you feel about the coronavirus, and give me some details about your life, maybe about your family, and you don't have to use these sentence starters, you can come up with your own. But again, I just wanted to help you get started with this assignments. And then, okay, so now to finish up, I should have a turn in button up here. And I should be able to just click that and it will turn in my assignment. Or I could go back to this and then there's a submit or a turn in button on this page too. Again, if you ever have any questions or concerns, always feel free to call or text me or email me or Mr. Jackson. All right, have a great day.